Hi. Say, I'm Maddie.
Maddie, do you know what day it is? It's December 6th, 2012.
Look at this outfit.
The tights have gingerbread on them too.
The tights, what now?
The tights have gingerbread on the ankles.
Oh. Where are you going?
Yeah. Is that Mom's Christmas list?
Hi. Where are you going? This camera is not the best, just saying. Maddie. Hey, Maddie. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry
Pretty close.
Christmas.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Is the door closed? She's going to watch TV. Alright, well, that's that. Here's our tree. Yay! Okay, bye.